Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video. I can't quite believe what video we're filming today. Honestly, I think I see this every year in my intros, but where does the year go? I can't believe we're in November and I'm back here again doing my annual Christmas tree video. And it's all a bit manic for me at the moment, I'm not gonna lie, because this year me and Mitchell decided to go away for 2 weeks in November. Probably the busiest time of my working calendar year as well. So yeah, not sure why I thought that was a good idea when I booked it like a year ago, but all the same, it's gonna be fun. It just means that I'm having to be a little bit organised and pre-film a lot of things. So yeah, I'm pre-filming this a little early, so I'm hoping it goes out on time and runs smoothly. So yeah, today's annual Christmas tree video is actually a little different to my usuals because I'm doing something different. Obviously, you guys know I'm moving in February, so yeah, everything just seems a little bit chaotic in the house, like sorting things out, getting rid of bits and like taking them to storage and stuff. So I just wanted to do something quite stripped back and simple this year, not only because it's just going to take me less time, but I think also with past decor videos for whatever season it is, I feel like sometimes less is more, and sometimes the more stuff I put out, as much as I love going over the top, I also get a little bit overwhelmed with all of the stuff. So yeah, I just thought this year would go for a more kind of like scandi, Nordic, I think that's the right terminology for what I'm trying to describe my theme as. So yeah, I've gone for like a lot of white and a few wood tones and a few like glass baubles as well. But anyway, you'll see all of that. I'm so excited to decorate for 2023. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna shut up. Let's get into the decorate video. I'm actually gonna bake some shortbread very quickly because I always like to just do a little quick bake before I get into these decorate videos. But I don't want to do like a full complicated bake, so I always like to grab, do you know, just the pre-packeted mixes. I do lots in Asda, B&M. They're so simple, so easy, and I just love them for when you want to do a little bit of fresh baking, but obviously, you know what I mean, just something quick. So yeah, let's make shortbread, let's get ourselves a hot chocolate, light some candles, put on my favourite Christmas film and decorate for 2023.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait, waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home, there's no better place, waking up on Christmas Day. Tinsel wrapped around the tree, snowflakes dancing.
Okay guys, it is that time. It's time to decorate the tree. So I actually put the tree up last night just because you don't need to see me assemble a tree. It's really easy. This tree is from Balsam Hill. It's in 3 parts. It is honestly one of the easiest trees I've ever put together. It's pre-lit, so you don't have to mess around with lights, and honestly it is a game changer. If you don't own a pre-lit tree and you get stressed out with doing your tree every year, honestly just go and buy a pre-lit tree because it makes, in my opinion, doing a tree so much more enjoyable because you don't have to faff around with the lights. Like the lights always used to be that one thing I would hate about doing a Christmas tree, not only putting them on but then getting them off, making the lights look right on the tree. It's honestly just such a job in itself. So yeah, I'm not too sure what this tree is called. I'm pretty sure it's a 7-foot one, or is it a 6-foot? I feel like it's 7-foot. I don't know. I will find the details of this tree and I'll leave it in the description box. But yeah, couldn't recommend Balsam Hill trees enough. They're so good. I do have another tree, so if you have looked at pictures from my previous years when I was in the barn conversion and wondering what tree that is a John Lewis pear-shaped tree, I think it's called. And again, that one is brilliant. I still feel like they stock it. I love that so much, and that will definitely be coming out at the new house because yeah, they are both just amazingly full trees. Tree skirt this year, I've gone for a different one. This is actually from Dunelm. I picked it up at the weekend. It was only £15, which I thought was really reasonable for a tree skirt. But yeah, I wanted something a bit more brown toned this year because here is what we're going for this year on the tree. So I mean, I'm hoping we have enough here, but as you can see, the theme's kind of white with a little bit of wood and brown tones. And then also I've got just a slight little bit of green to add in too. yeah, I don't really know how I'm going to get on, and I don't really know what I'm doing because I've never done a kind of scandi rustic tree, but I feel like you don't need as much on your tree. So I'm going to see how I get on with this. I have seen a couple more bits online that I really like, so I might get some more and add to it. But for now, this is all the stuff I've got to put on the tree. I've also got some of my own white baubles somewhere. I don't know if I've moved them out though or what, so I might have to search for them if I need some more white. So excited to decorate the tree. So without further ado, let's decorate the tree for 2023. Okay, so jumping into the tree decorating itself. So the first place I thought I would start with this tree is by simply taking these white rope baubles from the range and just kind of spreading them out and placing them kind of in a little bit of a uniformed way, if that makes sense. Can you see how I've just kind of evenly spread them? Then I'm taking these glass baubles. They kind of have feathers in. They are stunning. Again, they're from the range, and then I'm placing these in between the white ones. I thought it'd be really nice to add a little bit of subtle green in between the white just to break it up ever so slightly, but obviously still keeping it very neutral. And again, these baubles are from the range. Once we'd got a nice even kind of spread of the round baubles, I thought it was time to go in with the other shapes. So I've got a mixture of stars mainly, snowflakes, and also some Christmas trees. These stars, by the way, are from B&M, and then these ones, oh my god, these are my absolute favourite. These are from Dunelm. They were $3.50, so not the cheapest, but oh, I absolutely love these. These definitely give the kind of Scandi wooden vibes. So yeah, this really helps kind of bring the tree to life and just break up from the white. Then picked up these paper snowflakes. So these are from B&M. They were £2 each, and I'm not gonna lie, they are so spenny for what they are. They are essentially just paper. I feel like they've been hole punched a little to create that effect, then glued together. You could definitely make these yourself. If I had more time, I 100% would have tried to make some of these. So maybe that's something I can do next year and show you. But yeah, I just loved the different texture that the paper adds. So yeah, popping those on. And I did also pick some of those up in white too, which you'll see later on. I then also picked up these gorgeous Christmas trees from B&M again. They had such a lovely Scandi range in this year, so definitely check it out. It was selling out fast when I had a little look in, so yeah, don't sleep on it guys, because Christmas decor really does sell out so early. There's no point leaving it till December because it will all be gone, unfortunately. I'm then taking these round ribbed baubles. Again, these are from the range, and I wanted to grab some more green and again just place them in between the white and the wood just to bring it all together. And I'm that kind of person that I like an even spread on my tree. I don't like, for example, two greens to be next to each other or two wood things to be next to each other. I like to kind of alternate and make it quite like even. And then taking these wooden stars with the Hessian bow on the top, I just thought again these were so cute. They're from the range. They were only 99p, so an absolute bargain. They did have a silver heart in the middle, but I cut them off because I didn't want the silver. But yeah, real find from the range. And then I'm going in with the white snowflakes from B&M again. And yeah, just trying to find places where there's two kind of circle baubles next to each other and, you know, making sure there's a kind of object in between. That's how I work my trees. Okay, so that is the bulk of the Christmas tree decorations on the tree. As you will have been able to grasp, I only kind of selected 6 to 8 different tree ornaments this year, with it being a simple kind of Scandi vibe tree. I don't feel like you need loads of different ones. I did run out though, so I picked up these houses from B&M, spotted these last minute, and as they're quite small, I thought they'd make a great addition just in between some of the larger ornaments on the tree, just to fill it out a little bit more. I mean, it's never going to be a super full thick tree with loads of decor because that's just not the vibe, but yeah, I still kind of wanted it to fill in some gaps. And then finishing up with the star topper. How exciting. This is from Dunelm. I'm not too sure how much it was, but yeah, I just thought this went perfectly with the theme. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you the grand reveal in 3, 2, 1. There she is. Here is my tree for 2023. I honestly am just obsessed. Let me stand out and show you a little bit more. Like I've already said, it's very simple and minimal, but I really do love this theme. I think it's something a little bit different, and I feel like if you're someone that doesn't like too much going on in your home, this will be one for you. I am that kind of person as well. As soon as I do my over-the-top trees, I'm like, oh, it's too much. I don't think this is bad when you've got a big house, but definitely when I did the tree in this home last year, it just felt a lot, because as you can see, our living room isn't the biggest, and this tree's probably already too big for this room anyway. But yeah, this is my tree for 2023. I absolutely love it. It's giving all the kind of like white company, scandi vibes. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with how it turned out. I definitely feel like this will be a kind of tree that I bring out every year now in our new home, and then I'll probably have a tree where I just do different colours every year as well, because yeah, I just think this just goes nice. It's just a real nice simple tree that goes with a lot of neutral decor, and it's just not too much. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Anyway, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed my tree decorate video for 2023. I'm going to leave you with some clips of the tree in its full glory. I'm going to wait until it gets a little bit darker as well, so we can see some in the full darkness. Till next time, bye bye.